guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupali and today I'll be recreating the very famous Komolika look which Hina Khan will be doing in Kasauti Zindagi Kay 2. It's a very easy and glam look and I will show you how to do the look as well as the hairstyle. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also press the notification tab so that you always stay notified on my updates. And now let's jump into the video. If you see the picture, Hina Khan has her eyebrows pretty filled in. So I am trying to do the exact with my Maybelline Fashion Brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. Next I'll apply a primer and till that sits in my skin, I will start with the eye makeup. For primer, I am using my all-time favorite Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. For the Komolika look, she went with a simple smoky eye look and I will do it in a very easy way today. Lining my eyelid with a Kajal and then smoking out the Kajal with a pencil brush and a black eyeshadow. Then going with the Kajal once more and doing it till I get the right amount of intensity. Next, tight lining my upper and lower lash line with the same Kajal. And also lining the inner corner of the eyes how Komolika has. And then packing the lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. Then for the crease as well as the lid, I am taking a lighter brown shade and applying it with the help of a fluffy brush. I am also blending it with the Kajal to remove any harsh edges. Now if you look at Komolika's base makeup, you can see it's very dewy, very well contoured and flawless. And for that I am using this Focallure foundation in the shade 04 Natural and dabbing it into my skin with a damp beauty blender. Next I'll highlight and conceal my under eye area with a concealer from NY Bay and this is in the shade Grand Golden Central 3. To set the base today I am using a compact from Loreal and this is the L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact. Next, once again packing the lower lash line with the black eyeshadow to remove any harsh lines created by the concealer. For mascara today I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara and double coating both the upper and lower lashes properly. To get a proper contoured look like Komolika, I am using a cream contour from NY Bay and this is in the shade Raising Toast in Roosevelt. Contouring the hollows of my cheek, nose and hairline and then blending it out with a damp beauty blender. To set the contour, I am using the dark shade from ADA's Bahama Mama palette and applying on the area's contour to get a more chiseled and well contoured look like Hina. For blush, I am going with this shade from the ODBO palette and applying it on the apple of my cheeks for a sun-kissed blush. And since she has extreme highlight going on right under her eyes and on the high planes of her cheekbones, I am going to be using Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate palette and will apply it generously on the usual areas, concentrating more on the high planes of my cheekbone. Also will highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes with the same highlighter. For lipstick, to get the accurate shade like her, I am going to mix two shades and the first one is Plum Yum from Sugar Cosmetics and the second one is Pink 2 from Maybelline New York Lip Gradation. Now to do the bindi like her, I am using a red lipstick and a hairpin. I don't have nose piece like her, so I am going with another one, and with the jewels on, I am all set to go. To get hair like her naturally, just part your hair little by little and keep twisting. You can use heat on this, but I love mine natural. And here is the final look. Let me know your thoughts by commenting down below, and if you liked watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm listing down all the products that I have used in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And also there is a link to my social media accounts, so make sure you're following me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.